Hey, what's going on, digital marketing group friends? This is Bruno here, and I actually have a very special message, something I really feel like I want to share with all of you because I feel like it's so true right now that I cannot even believe what is happening. But I want to share with you guys the power of belief, and I know it'll sound really crazy, but I am currently on my first day of basically a 30-day business trip where I am essentially launching my business full force. Now, in these 30 days, I was in New York City yesterday. Today, I am somewhere else. Next week, I'm going to be somewhere else. Next week, I'll be somewhere else. But I will update you guys on that as it goes. But as I was laying down, not sleeping, which, by the way, something I learned is if you're really excited about something great happening in your life, you actually don't sleep much. And I know we need sleep, but it's just so awesome what is happening, and I want to share with you guys. But I began my journey in digital marketing 3 years ago, right? But I really stepped out of my comfort zone and actually started my own company the 1st of January, right? Now we are here, it's not even 90 days yet, but you can change your life really fast if you really work. And something I want to say is, number one thing that I had when I started was belief of I'm either gonna do this or I'm staying where I was at and not move and follow my dreams and things that I wanted. So I literally said, well, my options are, if I have a job, I'm gonna spend X amount training, blah, blah, and it won't really give me what I need, how soon I need it, how fast, right? So I made a promise to myself and I said, you're gonna work as long as it takes, as hard as it takes for you to accomplish what you want to do. And the first 30 days was really like the prep work for everything, just sort of figuring out the details, okay, how am I going to empower people? How am I going to show people this? How am I going to start my thing, have results, etc.? And February 2nd is when I actually moved to New York City. New York, sorry, not city. But that month is actually the same month that I launched the course and the same month that I launched this group and the whole thing, right? And so what I want to share with you guys is that the growth that is happening, the excitement that is happening, the leads and inquiries that are happening are actually something I didn't plan on so quick. But that's why I think that the power of belief is so important, because all I knew is that no matter what, I was going to work. For me, there was no option of it won't work, because one, I don't think I believe that. And two, I think we have a lot of limiting beliefs, and we have this box, and we always think that, things are how we see most people doing them, and that's not true. And it's crazy because I will probably do a video a day of how this whole trip is going, but now we're gonna have to hire. We have to actually get a filmer, things of that sort are happening, which is why I'm also traveling. But we have some deals that we have to do a lot of exciting stuff for that I'll share with you guys later. But last thing I want to leave you guys with here is I'm actually doing a podcast in Florida with a lady that I have known for years, and I will share the story with her, but synopsis of this, right? As I'm thinking about belief, I'm thinking about why so many people who we consider successful, who we consider whatever, are so almost passionate to that crazy extent. And last night I was also watching the Steve Jobs movie, so it's I'm having these thoughts, I'm watching this movie, and then I start thinking of this lady. And this lady was actually diagnosed with a fatal disease. And when I met her 6 years ago, I think, I remember her telling me, I'm going to beat it. The doctor says I have 2 years, I'm going to beat it. Well, she and I reconnected not too long ago, and the beautiful thing is that she beat it smiling, and now because of that, she's empowering others who are going through her same thing. And this is something that we'll talk about later when she's here, because I truly want you to hear from her mouth. But the fact that we don't believe in ourselves for things that aren't as threatening, life-threatening, literally, and we limit ourselves. And that's something that I told myself this year in 2019, I'm gonna go for broke. I'm gonna go for, I've already had a horrible year in 2018, so try it out, right? And it's been a blessing. It's been wonderful. I have helped students make money. I have helped people learn digital marketing. I keep getting inquired. Like, we have to grow now because we can't sustain the initial momentum yet, and I want to provide the best service for you guys, for my clients, for everyone, and also inspire you to know that you don't have to do digital marketing as your business if that's not what you want. But guess what? On the flip side, you need digital marketing to expand your business, share your thoughts and all these things. And so I'm just excited to be a tool for you guys, be a tool for people to share their message. And I'm very blessed and excited for this podcast because I want you guys to just believe, like really, as silly as it is. Now, not naively believe. That's a whole nother level. But believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Know that maybe there might be a slight little chance that you can do it. That there might be a little chance that it's a little crazy. And guess what? It's scary as heck. Trust me, I will share everything with you guys as soon as I hit my monthly goal. And I'll share details that I cried in front of the camera for. And I said, I just don't even. But I said, no, I'm not quitting. I'm going for it. So that's all I wanted to leave with you guys. March is almost over. My 90 days from starting this whole thing is over soon. And I'll be traveling to 4 states then, but I want to keep you guys informed. And if you have any questions, if you have anything, if you're thinking of anything, if there's anything that might be holding you back, seriously, like, feel free to talk to me, feel free to tell me, feel free for all these things, because I want to be here and use my talents and gifts as a blessing to others. And I just so happen to choose the avenue of business for that. So that's how I think of it. And I believe if you have a pure outlook on what you're doing and truly, truly believe, there's no way in heck that you'll fail. So thank you guys. Have a great weekend. See you soon.